Good morning. Doing a video here on something. I recently was watching the video where Techmoan, or Techmoan, I don't really know how that's supposed to be pronounced, was doing a video on things or devices for blowing out computer equipment. And he had shown something called the CompuCleaner Expert. And I thought that would be a pretty cool thing to have, and started looking up getting one, and found out that they were about anywhere from $46 to over $100 for depending on what brand you got. I found an eBay listing for $40, but the eBay seller, her listing, you can't buy anything from it because there's something wrong with their account. I notified the seller and they didn't respond, and they didn't fix it, and they didn't do anything. And they have like over 50 watchers, which probably all came from Techmoan's video. Anyways, so I thought, well, let's see if I can build one. And I won't go into all this gruesome details, but suffice it to say that building one with stuff I had around the house wasn't going to happen. The fans I had, while being more than powerful enough, could not produce the pressure. And I was doing a last-ditch lookup with a different search term for blower motors, and I stumbled across something that, caused me to facepalm. And that was that it was showing different types of blowers and whatever, and it showed something that reminded me of something I already had but had forgotten about. One of these. This is a Coleman Quick Pump model 5999 A426. It's AC, 120 volts, 170 watts. It uses about 1.4 amps. And it does exactly the same thing that the CompuCleaner Expert, CompuCleaner 2.0, whatever, any of those do. But this is $20. So it's less than half the price. And I'm going to turn it on, and it's kind of loud. I don't know how it compares to the CompuCleaners, but so here's what it sounds like. So yeah, kind of loud. The main reason for that is there's a fan in this side that sucks air in to cool the motor, and the way it's designed is almost exactly like a siren. It's got some vanes in here, fans that suck in, and these other vanes, and then they're really close together, and that's how you make a siren, basically. Anyways, so what I had done is I decided I was going to try and make this work, and as it is, it works perfectly. It blows out a ton of air. Let's see if I can set this up real quick. Alright. So let's get I need to sync this, so we just need something to make a noise. Alright. So first we're going to use First we're going to use this, and we'll see how much air it blows. This is miles per hour. And we're going to set this up about this far. Let's see if we can see it. And let's see what we get. Alright, looked like, I think, maybe as much as 29 miles per hour. Now, let's do it with this. In case that didn't show up on video, that was about 44 miles per hour. So it puts out twice the air for the same distance as canned air. So I went online and I looked up some parts and found some parts that were supposed to fit this thing. It actually, even the parts said they were for a 5999 quick pump, and I got 2 of these. Let's turn this off, we don't need this anymore. Alright. These were the same, but I did some modifications to one. Basically, I took this rubber off, stuck it on the lathe, made this opening bigger. There's 2 different sizes, and neither one of them fits this. They also didn't have the bayonet fittings, so I cut them out, and then I cut in my own bayonet fitting. And then I took a piece of 1-inch inside diameter lucite, or acrylic, whatever this stuff is. I got this off of eBay in 1 foot lengths. I made a bayonet mount for it. And the main purpose for that was so that this hose was something you could order. And that fits in there. Now I had to run my lathe to get these the right size in here. None of this fit correctly. By the way, none of this you don't need any of this stuff just to use this thing as a blower. The stuff that it comes with, this one nozzle right here, is probably the only thing you'd ever need. This one's for inflating pool toys, and it doesn't blow very much through here. It's too small of an opening. But anyways, so if you hook this up, I'll put my hearing protection on again. And you'll notice it makes a weird noise. It sounds like an elk call. Maybe a castrated bull elk, but an elk call at that. So, let's see how well this works. I'm going to switch to a different camera, and we're going to blow off some things here in the shop that are conveniently covered in dust. So, stand by. Alright, so you can see my bench is completely covered in sawdust. And what I'm about to do is just going to blow it everywhere in here. That's alright. Noise alert. So you can see it works really well. Anyways, just an idea. Save yourself some money. Get one of these. And like I said, 20 bucks. And that's it. Thanks for watching.